Yo, what's happening guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are joined with a very mucky Vectra VXR and obviously we've got the Time Attack project right here behind us. If you're not following this build, make sure you check out the Time Attack UK Time Attack build on the playlist. So as I'm saying, this car is absolutely filthy. We're about to do its second wash. Obviously the weather's getting a lot better, all salt's coming off the road. I find it a bit pointless at start here to wash your car because literally like the week after, especially around where I work, it is pointless, your car gets blathered. So it's literally mucky top to bottom. So as you can see, that's pretty bad. Especially when you're scrubbing on it and it's literally not even going down to paintwork, and I shouldn't do that because it's going to scratch it, but I'm going to be giving it a quick buff anyway. So I've run some buffing pads and some quick detailer and some fine buffing compound. So we're going to give it a good old wash down. It deserves it. As I say, it's its second wash since the beginning of the year. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be washing this down. Cheeky Time Attack. If you're not following it, go follow the build. That car's going to be sick, you know. It's going to be sick. I'm telling you. Look at that carbon bonnet in sun. Super sick. Should we just give it a cheeky rev? Just sounds sick, doesn't it? Should we give it a cheeky rev? Don't want to give it too much because neighbours will start screwing with me. So yeah, gonna give it a wash now. Sun. So yeah, we're gonna give it a wash now, and obviously it's gonna come out 10 times better than it's looking. But I thought I'd throw this in as like a midweek video because that's what I want to do. I want to do midweek videos. If you don't want to watch them, cool beans. So the stuff that I'm going to be using is all this, what was it, Demon gift set. Kim got me it for Christmas, so I'm going to be using that. Got some snow foam in it. I haven't got a snow foam adapter for the jet wash, so before anyone goes on saying you're supposed to use snow foam with jet, I ain't got an adapter. So I'm going to be using this garden hose thing. Hopefully it works, it might not, but worth a try. And then obviously we've got a sort of cloths and sponges, 2 buckets, and obviously some interior stuff. I'll do interior and check oil at the same time, always worth doing. I do that anyway. I check oil and levels every week or 2 just to keep on top of it, because you never know. So yeah, I'm gonna get it washed. Nearly decked it. Gonna jet wash it off to start with, which is here. Gonna jet wash it off to start with, and then that'll get rid of any thick grub that's sat on it, and then we'll stick some snow foam on it, scrub it down, jet wash it off, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to try to pump this up now. I'm hoping it works with snow foam because we haven't got an adapter. But hopefully. Do you know what? It's kind of working. Work with what you've got.
It's about as good as some hand car washes that you go to.
You know, I thought it was actually going to be a lot worse, but it's alright. So I've now got that snow foam partially on and I've rinsed it. It's looking a lot better. Still some streak marks, so I'm going to leave it to just dry off a bit. Cutting half made off here. Going to leave it to dry off a bit. As you can see, you got some. You can just see some bits here where it's streaking. So yeah, I'm going to leave it to dry off. And then I will chamois it down and then get some polish onto it, a bit of protection, and we should be good. So we're about 45 minutes an hour in to polishing it, and these are the results so far. I mean, you know what I'm saying, guys? Could talk to you in that paintwork. And all I'm using is, I'm just using a drill on a low speed setting, a soft buffing pad, like a finishing pad, and I'm using super resin auto glim polish. Auto glim, if you want to send me a few bottles of these, be appreciated. I've already bought a fair few bottles of this stuff and I couldn't recommend it to anyone else anymore. It is perfect. I mean, the results are there. That's just a quick go on with that. I've been applying it with a little pad like this all over the panel, spreading it about and buffing with this, and then I've been wiping it off with just a normal microfiber, and the results are outstanding. You know what I'm saying, boys? Yes. So just to show you the difference, all stuff that's signed paint here, all from over winter. As I say, we've only given it a quick rinse this year. Just dump bonnet, and obviously all this side's done. You can see the difference in the paintwork. It's mega. So I'm gonna carry on and get this side done, because there's little marks, all this, all stuff that's signed paint here. So I'm gonna carry on and get this finished. So it's now done. Look how clean it is. Look at that. Wow. Look at that air can see time attack car in it and everything. Hiya. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna leave inside for now. It's not over bad, but it'll get done. I'm going to do the under bonnet stuff and I'm gonna check the levels and see how we're looking, because it's filthy under here and it needs a good old clean. So I'm gonna give this a wipe down and I'm gonna check the levels. So we're finally done. The neglected Vectra VXR is once again a shining star. So I started this at, when did I start this? Started it at like 12:30. It's now, what time are we on? Like 4 o'clock? Yeah, something daft. I get a reply. So yeah, it's 4:05. So I've been on this like 4 hours now. Not doing the inside. I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna get all these files from this video onto the computer, get that sorted, have my tea. But yeah, show you a couple of clips, cause damn, she's fire. Woo! Look at that, eh? Oh, oh, woo! Obviously all engine bay. I've took cover off, that's down at home, so obviously couldn't put that on, but alt bay's had a clean down. As you can see, it's all nice and fresh. It were all minging, so that's all nice and fresh. Put some tyre shine on it because it always makes it look good. But yeah, look at it, look at it. Yeah, super fresh. Can't wait to get some photos of this in the sun again. It's been neglected for the last 3 or 4 months. What a shot that is. With time attack car in background. That needs a wash at some point as well, but jeez. Yeah, man. Proper job that, son. Did you see that face? That's what face you get when you've been doing a car for the last 4 hours. Innit, Kim? Yeah. Nah, she's not even bothered. She loves it when my cars are shiny, and she loves it when I make her car shiny as well. And drop a fucking Saab engine in it. So yeah, that's the neglected VXR done. If you've enjoyed this video, just step into shake, so I like squinting at you. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a fat thumbs up. Appreciate you all. And whatever fucking hell, it was going so well as well. And remember, whatever you're doing today, make it different. See you later, guys.